So today I got a cool one. This is a product called Torch 2.0, and this lets you add heating to any coat, to any jacket. I guess you could even add it to a hoodie. Now, I featured something kind of along these lines in the past. It was a sweatshirt where you put your hands in the pocket and then there's a hand heater in there. Grab that thing. Grab that thing. Grab it, though. What do you got? This thing works a little different. They're calling it a universal coat heater. And what I like about this setup is you get to use your own coat, so you're sure that you've got one that you like. This unit attaches to the inside, and then the battery that keeps everything juiced up is detachable. Just bring that thing inside, charge it up, and then you're heating all over again. Peel and stick the Velcro installation kit into your coat, attach your Torch coat heater, turn it on to enjoy hours of soothing warmth. So this is the main unit. Micro USB cable. I believe that will be to charge the battery, which is over here. It's a pretty slim, standard looking portable battery. Seems pretty universal to me, right? This is a standard USB connection. Other side benefit, if this is in your coat, then you've always got a battery backup for your phone too. Power brick in the box. Lastly, these look like the Velcro pads that the unit attaches to. That is definitely Velcro. In fact, it is Velcro brand Velcro. The real stuff. Yeah. Woo! That's a grip right there. Holy smokes. Okay, that's gonna work. And the heating elements, I suppose, are just, they're in there. Simple stuff. And then over here on this side, this is a pouch. And this is where your little battery pack's gonna go. So this piece is gonna plug into here like that. And then the battery unit goes inside the little pouch, clamp it down, that's it. So this is a pretty standard kind of black coat here. And I'm just gonna lay it out as they have told me to do. All right, so now I am gonna remove the sticker part of the Velcro here. Kablamo. Okay, that's on there. Place that in the center there. Jack, can you see that there? It really sticks on there. And if you take this pack out, it's also the soft side of the Velcro. I think that's an important touch, right? So it's not the scratchy teeth side, it's the soft side. So you're not gonna notice it if you have the pack out. Also, it's cool that they've designed a battery bank here, which has LED indicators, so you can quickly reach down, hit the button, and see how much charge you have left. Only thing left to do, this is the interesting side over here with the power switch. Red is high, blue is medium, and green is low. So in the high setting, you can expect somewhere in the neighborhood of 2.5 hours of battery life, and in the low setting, you can get as much as 4 hours. It is already beginning to warm up. Oh man, that is nice. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna be cooking soon. I'll tell you what. Who, me? You talking to me? Huh? I'm just gonna wear this for a bit, wait for peak temperature to kick in. From a functionality standpoint, I mean, you notice the battery pack. You're kind of aware. I mean, it feels like you have a wallet in your pocket, sort of. Oh, it's getting like toasty now. Oh, this is kind of genius. This is kind of a good idea. I mean, having a battery bank is already useful on its own. You might already carry one, and now you just got it right here where you need it, plus the heat. If I have a long walk to work, if I'm on the bike, if I'm on a motorcycle, oh, it's cooking. I'm going now. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is a smart move, all right? This is the way to do it. You gotta be outdoors a little bit in the cold. Tech, it comes to the rescue. And it's not a whole different coat, and you get a battery bank. Plus, it's removable, and you can have it in 2 different coats. Let's see how the sticky pads hold up. So far, so good. They're in there. And I just wanna see what the removal process looks like. So let's say you wanna keep it in this coat permanently, but you just wanna take out the battery bank. So that just comes out. Boom. Bring that inside, charge that up. All right, now maybe you want to go a step further and remove the whole thing. Let's see if the sticky pads stay on this material. All right, so it does come out. Again, this is gonna depend a lot on the material you're sticking it to. At first, the back piece wants to come off with it. It is a very strong Velcro connection. So I'm not sure I'd be taking it out all that frequently. I think this is more the kind of thing when you install it, you probably wanna leave it there. Or if you do take it out, you're gonna wanna let this adhesive set in a little bit longer. Once you take this off, this becomes a normal coat all over again, and you're not gonna notice these Velcro pads in there. Just 1, 2, 3, you're back to heating. I think they're on to something, especially at this price point. 65 bucks. If you're freezing out there, you'll take all the help you can get. What are you doing? You're shoveling the driveway, delivering pizzas? I don't know what you're up to. But if you have to be outside in the weather that we are dealing with right now, you'll take any advantage you can get. The Torch 2.0. You never know what's gonna show up here. Human beings, they keep making things. Well done, Torch. I think it's a cool idea. DIY, add it to any coat.